In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Muhammad Ali said, to be a prophet, you must believe you are the best. If you are not, pretend you are. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And a very good evening to all of you. I am very delighted to come in front of you, all wonderful people, and to begin this golden opportunity with the name of Allah. Today I want to talk about the life of Prophet, peace be upon him. So my dear friends, our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, was born in Hashim's family of Quraysh tribes in 575 AD. He was born in Mecca, a city of Saudi Arabia. His father's name was Abdullah, his mother's name was Amina, and his grandfather's name was Abdul Muttalib. But they all were passed away in his childhood. That's why his uncle Abu Talib brought up him. Our Prophet used to graze goats in his childhood. He used to live a fair and transparent life. He used to help his friends, relatives, even strangers. People call him trustworthy, truthful. That's why he was known with these names. On that time, the situation of Arab was very miserable. They had no literacy, no civilization, or not a perfect religion. They were burying their own baby girls. They were engaged in tribal wars. Women had no status in the society on that time. They had forgotten the religion of their elders. They used to worship many idols. On that time, Allah sanctioned our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, prophethood, and sent him as mercy for all human beings. So my dear friend, I want to end my words with a quote. काम करो ऐसे कि पहचान बन जाए, काम करो ऐसे कि पहचान बन जाए, चलो ऐसे कि निशान बन जाए, और जिंदगी जो ऐसे कि यूनुस जैसी मिसाल बन जाए, यूनुस जैसी मिसाल बन जाए. Thank you for listening my words.
सबसे बदतरीन इंसान में हूँ, लेकिन हज़रत वादा का this is the love for me, so may Allah accept me, may Allah accept me, and may Allah give me hidayah to follow the path of Muhammad, peace be upon him, to follow the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You all are requesting to pray for me. MashaAllah, really he delivered the speech with such a nice enthusiasm. The moment when he was speaking, it was the sound was really like any foreigner is speaking. The pronunciation which he used today, the way to speak, the method of delivering the speech was really outstanding. I'm really happy and quite content after listening to his speech. May Allah give him more and more success. Ameen. Now, with these words, I would like to invite another participant for today, and I believe each one of you is ready to come on second turn, but who all are those people, those personalities who want to come now in this second round of the speech?